Okay, let's do just a really quick program. So I'm going to do a header. And let's see what this program does. It identifies a function to be x to a power of n, and then it gives you f of x, and then it'll give you a graph. It'll plot that function, the previous output, plot it over the domain from -4 to 4 and the range -10 to 10, where you can adjust the value of n from 0 to 8. So let's identify the function f of x underscore colon equals x. Remember, control 6 gives you the exponent n. The semicolon just means to suppress the output. And then f of x, press enter, and then manipulate a plot, percent sign, comma, and then brace. X goes from -4 to 4, close the brace, comma, plot range, and here you could type in a dash and a right arrow. The plot range is -10 to 10. That finishes the graph. So close brace, close bracket, comma, and you want the animation to go to affect the n as n goes from 0 to 8, and to include only counting numbers. Okay. And then close the list, close the manipulate, and we'll run this. So let me put the plus here, so I see my initial value is 0, and x to the 0 is 1, so I have the graph y equals 1. I can step forward. This is y equals x squared, y equals x to the 3rd, x to the 4th, x to the 5th, x to the 6th, x to the 7th, x to the 8th. You could play that. You pause it. And so you could create whatever type of graph you want. If you wanted to plot more than one graph, you would just use a list and plot them. And like we saw up here, you could have more than one variable that you're animating.